Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Marcos from the Tech Hero channel. Today we're reviewing and checking out Poetic Cases. So these three Poetic Cases are the latest and greatest for the Galaxy S21 FE. So if you're in this video, you probably just picked up a new Galaxy S21 FE. You're probably wondering what is the best case for the Galaxy S21 FE. Well, Poetic does a good job, and we have the clear case. The clear case is a nice low profile case, as you can see. Depending on the color you picked up, you might want to get a clear case. Poetic does a really good job with their cases because they're all drop proof protected. So as you can see, this clear one right here will give you the color depending on what color you picked up. We have the olive one right here, and then it gives you this nice edge along the edges. And as you can see, it'll protect your phone for most major drops. I have tested some of these cases. This one's the less profile case, so we're not going to drop it, but it should withstand drops for up to 6 to 8 feet, regular drops, because it has a nice clear case, nice clear bumpers here in the edge. The next case we're actually going to look at is the Poetic Neon case, which is their new series of Poetic cases. This one also is drop proof protected. This one I trust a little bit more because it actually is a little thicker. So it's a little thicker, has this orange neon along the edges, therefore it's called the Poetic Neon case. Also drop proof protected for up to 8 feet. So this one we're actually gonna show you the buttons right now. We're gonna see that it has a cutout for the charging port right here. It also has the speaker cutout and nothing going on the left. Here at the back, it does have a raised edge for the camera so they don't get damaged when you drop it. And the front, you also have this nice raised edge right here. So this one, we're actually gonna go outside and drop it in the concrete and see what happens. We're now outside, and as you can see, the case, the phone is on, so it's a real phone. Now we're gonna drop it real quick. So we're picking it up. As you can see, nothing happened to our phone or our case. We just got some dings, and nothing happened. And these are to portray normal drops, as your phone usually breaks when you're walking out of your car. You have it on your lap and you drop it on the floor from 3 to 5 feet. But this one's supposed to withstand up to 8 feet, so you shouldn't have an issue. The next one we're going to take a look at is the Revolution series case. As you can see, it's a beautiful case. It has a built-in shield here in the front, which is extra protection for your phone. These are also perfect for drops, perfect for heavy duty work. And it has this shell that kind of hugs this top screen in the front. So we're actually going to put it on the phone as well. So let me see if I can remove it real quick. Just want to slide in the edges. As you can see, this one has a built-in shield. You can still do your fingerprint. Has a cutout right there for the fingerprint. But this one gives you a nicer raised edge. Sorry for the camera moving. So this one gives you a nicer raised edge, as you can see. We also have a kickstand right here, a built-in kickstand. So if you want to watch a movie, you can set it up like that. We also have these nice rubber bumpers on the edge. Let me close this out. So nice rubber bumpers here on the edge, as you can see. Kickstand, raised edge right here for the camera. Perfect for your phone, nothing to happen. So we're also gonna go outside with the Revolution series case, and we're actually gonna drop it so you guys can check it out. So let's go outside. One more time, we're outside, so let's actually give it a nice drop. And as you can see, we're picking up the phone. Let's see, is it alive? Did it break? Nothing happened to the case. The case is fine. Let's go inside. The screen's working. Perfect. So there you guys have it. We have the case still on, as you can see. This one's also nice because it does cover the port. But overall, Revolution series is the toughest of them all. Then we have the Neon series and we have the Clear series. So overall, very good cases if you're trying to protect your Samsung device. So just want to do a quick unboxing, drop the phones a couple times so you guys can check it out. So hopefully this video helps you guys out. And if you guys like these cases, let me know in the comments, as I've trust them. I've been dropping phones for the past 2 years and I haven't had one phone break yet. So I'll leave the links below. So hopefully this video helps you guys out. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.